Welcome to this tutorial on HiFi assembly using Photo51. In this video, we'll walk through the process of HiFi assembly step by step. HiFi assembly is a seamless DNA assembly method that joins multiple DNA fragments with short overlaps in a single tube reaction using a highly accurate, proofreading polymerase and proprietary enzyme mix. Unlike infusion or Gibson assembly, HiFi assembly is optimized for high-fidelity, low-error cloning, making it ideal for applications requiring precise sequence accuracy. It is especially suited for multi-fragment assembly, high-complexity constructs, and projects where minimizing unwanted mutations is critical. First, open your destination vector. Go to My Files and select your desired destination vector. Double-click the file to open it, or select it and click Open in the top toolbar. Navigate to the Cloning tab and select HiFi Assembly. This will open the HiFi Assembly window. Next, set or change your destination vector. If you wish to change your destination vector, click Change Vector at the bottom of the box, or click the pencil icon next to the vector name at the top. You can select a new file from My Files, paste in a sequence, or drag and drop one into the window. Next, linearize your vector. You can linearize by PCR or by restriction digestion. For PCR linearization, select the region or feature of your destination vector you want to use. You can use either map or sequence view. Select a feature or drag across a region to select it. Click Create Primers from selection. Photo51 will automatically generate primers with appropriate overlaps for HiFi assembly. To linearize via Restriction Digest, navigate to the Linearize By drop-down and select Restriction Digest. Choose the desired restriction enzymes. The cut site and resulting linear fragment will be shown. To add inserts, click New Insert at the bottom of the window or select Inserts at the top. Follow the same procedure to prepare each insert. Select a region and click Create Primers from selection to generate HiFi compatible overlaps. All primers you create are saved and can be accessed by clicking Primers in the bottom toolbar. To add more inserts, click the plus button at the top and repeat the process. Once all desired inserts are added, go to the bottom of the window and click Assemble. Set your overlap length or optimal annealing temperature according to your design. Click Assemble again to simulate the HiFi assembly reaction. Photo51 will display a visual preview of your assembled plasmid. When satisfied, click Save Assembled Product to store your new construct in My Files. You have now completed HiFi assembly using Photo51. For more cloning workflows and tips, check out our other tutorials.